Hi guys, as promised, today I'm going to be sharing with you all my recipe for that leftover ham cubes that I saved. Today we're going to be making some beans and ham. You can use any type of legumes for this. So to start, I'm going in with the ham. We want to cook that ham until it has a nice flavor and a nice brown exterior. Once it gets to that, we want to take it out, place it in a bowl and set it aside. Cooking the ham this way really adds more flavor to this dish. Next, to the same pot, I'm going in with some chili infused coconut oil from CGA Limited, a company based in Trinidad. Next goes in some sliced onions, some sliced bell peppers, some minced garlic and some grated carrot. You can use any type of vegetable for this you would like. We're just going to saute this, and you'll notice I'm not adding any salt or any flavoring agents because the ham is going to add that for us. Next, I'm going in with some pre-cooked red beans and we're adding back that ham. We want to mix and add in some water. This water is going to create a sauce because this is going to be perfect to eat with rice. Next goes in some chopped tomatoes and some chopped scallions or celery. We call scallions a siph in Trinidad. We want to bring this up to a boil and allow it to cook for about 5 to 8 minutes or until that sauce thickens. This is the consistency it should look like when it's finished. You see the vegetables are still standing up. You don't want it to totally disintegrate in the pot. Now you want to taste it and adjust your seasonings, and then it is ready to be served. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really easy, simple recipe for leftover ham. Make it and let me know if you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!